All right, welcome back. So in this video, we're going to organize your folders. Now, in this example of our inbox with a brand new Gmail account, we have no content at all. We have nothing. But here's the good thing with having nothing in your inbox. It makes it easier to make folders and organize things. So the first thing I want you to do is I want you to go to create a new label. Let's manage labels. Okay, and you can see here we have promotions, forums, categories. So let's create a new label, and we're going to call this let's do courses. Okay, I'm going to create that. So when I scroll down right here, courses. Okay, I'll give you another example. I use Namecheap for my web hosting, so let's do Namecheap. Okay, so we have courses and we have Namecheap, and really the idea of organizing your folders is to create kind of an organization of the information that you're getting. So let's say that you get a lot of Facebook emails. Okay, let's do Facebook. And let's say you're also on Twitter. So let's do Twitter. And YouTube, let's say. You upload a lot of YouTube videos. So you have all these folders right here. And what we can do is we can create social media. Okay, and we can nest the label. Okay, we can do this, and let's manage the labels. And I'm going to go to social media. Let's see here, where are you? Let's edit, and then okay, I did that wrong. Go to Facebook, hit edit, and we're going to nest this label under social media. I'm going to do the same with Twitter. Okay, and I'm going to do the same with YouTube. Okay, now I'm going to save that. Let's go back to the inbox, and then let's go to social media. So you can see I have Facebook, Twitter, and YouTube in there. Now with Namecheap, what I would do with that is I would make a web hosting folder, and then I would nest Namecheap under web hosting. Why would I do that? Because I'm categorizing what the content is, so I know exactly where it is. I don't have to hunt for it, because part of the problem is if you just let stuff kind of flop around and lay wherever it wants, you're going to be confused because you won't be able to find anything. Now, I did that backwards. So, let's see here. Let me fix that real quick. Let's manage the labels. So I'm going to go to Namecheap. Actually, let's go here and let's do... I'm not going to nestle it anywhere. And I'm going to go to Namecheap, and we're going to put that under the under web hosting, just like this. Okay, so that fixed it. So now web hosting has Namecheap nestled inside. Okay, courses, let's just remove that one. We don't need that. This is just to give you an idea of how you can create folders to organize your emails. Okay, and another example would be, let's say that you have, okay, let's do courses. That's fine. So I'll do courses, okay, and I'll make a couple more labels here. We'll do what I have other courses that I have done. Learn JavaScript. Let's do learn HTML5. Learn CSS3. Learn SVG. Nest label under courses. Okay, now let's manage the labels. So if I go to HTML, we're going to nestle that under courses. I'm going to save that. Do the same with CSS3. Save that. And JavaScript. So again, this gives you an idea of how to organize your courses and folders. Okay, web hosting, we have Namecheap. Social media, we have Facebook, Twitter, YouTube. Courses, I have Learn CSS, HTML, JavaScript, and SVG. And it gives you the ability to hide these things whenever you want. You can also do categories, which they have social. They have updates, forums, promotions, chats, important, less, etc., etc. But what this does is it gives you the ability to categorize everything that you have coming in. On my other Gmail account that I have organized everything. So all my bills, when I get an email for my cell phone bill, for my credit cards, for health insurance, for car insurance, house insurance, mortgage, banking, you name it. All that stuff I organize just like this. And even if I just make a parent folder, which means it's just the top folder here, and put the stuff in there, it's perfect because I know exactly where it is. I don't have to search for it. You can search for it, but this cuts that down. It makes you more efficient because you know exactly where it is. Okay, now let's say that we wanted to put this email in one of those categories, right? So let's go here and let's see, move to, there we go. Okay, so let's move this to courses, and this is Learn CSS 3, okay? So now when I go to Learn Courses and go to Learn CSS 3, there's the message, okay? So I'm going to delete that, but you see how it gives you a tag here, and it tags it Courses Learn CSS 3. So you can remove the label, but they label it whenever you put it in a folder like this. They label it so you know exactly where it is. So if you were to open it here, which I can't do because it's in here, it just helps you to know where it is. So it's a very handy thing, okay? So that's all I have for this video. I'll see you in the next video.